Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ferrari LaFerrari in Asphalt 9. This iconic class of car is a highly sought-after vehicle, and obtaining it involves a combination of patience and strategic gameplay. We'll cover the main methods to add this magnificent machine to your garage, focusing on how to efficiently gather the necessary resources. Let's dive into the details of securing this legendary ride. The foundation of acquiring the Ferrari LaFerrari lies in collecting its blueprints. You'll generally need 50 blueprints to unlock this incredible vehicle for the first time. Beyond unlocking, gathering more blueprints is crucial for starring up your car, which enhances its speed, acceleration, handling, and nitro. Each star level makes your LaFerrari more competitive in races and events, so keep an eye out for every blueprint opportunity. Special events and limited-time events are your best friends for earning LaFerrari blueprints. These events frequently feature the car as a reward for completing challenges and stages. Additionally, keep an eye on the in-game store for various card packs. These packs, including free ad packs and token-based packs, often contain blueprints for the LaFerrari, providing another consistent way to build your collection over time. As your garage level increases, particularly around level 17 or 18, LaFerrari blueprints may become available in the Legend store for credits or tokens. It's wise to save your in-game currency for these moments. A smart strategy involves consistent daily play, participating in all available events, and watching advertisements for free packs. This dedicated approach will significantly speed up your journey to owning and maxing out the Ferrari LaFerrari.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.